Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, silent, nuclear roster man. Big up. Country squad. Yo, I think I will change the name from Country Squad to Country Wound. Now, look at the screen in front of you. You remember this guy? In June, early June, I think it was like June 2nd, him get slapped with over Maxfield, him and another youth. And the way out did look, the man them spread out on the dirt and look away. Police boy them come and scrape them up like garbage to blow out. It kind of shocking how the man them deal with them. And when we do that video there, the first video, because when they do a little thing on it, I was elaborating on how the man them deal with things that, it wasn't a good side to look on. You see what I'm saying? And it really disturbing photo and video. Now, this dude here, he's from Cockburn Pen, and his uncle is a famous party promoter down there. His name Phantom. That Phantom, him uncle, get enough respect. Him uncle come in like rifle them. But them go party, and party go everybody party, and then people come back and feed them party. Also feed him Uncle Flex, Phantom. The youth here, me know people will know him, and them say him flex on the Waldy side of town and thing. And he was a good youth going to school. And, doing pretty well in school and doing his thing. But he did something that changed his entire life projection. Listen to this. Now, like I said, this youth was going to school doing his thing. Phantom, the big time promoter, down at the bottom of Marwood Drive. And them man there, I'm uncle. So, him now take it up on him head and slap with one youth off the Woodpecker round pan Sanitary Road. You understand? Now the youth who him slap with, father they are prison or do life. So him slap with Bulla John son. See him? Now after him slap with Bulla John son, him decide to take it up on himself now and start bad. So him end up at Maxfield, and the reason why I'm go Maxfield is because a certain man in him here at Cockburn Pen did have the link at Maxfield. Forget the machine them. So him go Maxfield, if you go buy him machine, can now him turn bad boy, stop go school and pick up a new career. So when him go Maxfield now, go buy the thing them, the man them dash him. And that's how him and him brethren lose them life. You see that? And that me I talk about. Now some man a pick up some things where them have no idea of how it operate or can turn out. You see what I'm saying? Him should have just stay in a school. Because your family them want to see you the best for you. Stay in a school, do your thing, and get the thing right. But what you do now, you start link with certain man, and you know so certain man in the community, after the world they and bully them, I do certain things. Look how long them man they dead. But you decide, no, you're a bad boy, so you gonna Maxfield. So the man them just 2 timing, yeah, take away money, and you see where them give straight dirt, them give a succumbs that youth here and them brethren lose him life. Left cockburn pen, go to Maxfield, found some quote unquote link where them call it. We don't know what kind of link that, and go buy a machine and the man them do that. Now him could have taken money and go do a whole heap of different other things. But him decide to take it and go a Maxfield. Go link certain man through maybe while they are bully them, have them link out there. Cause bully link it wasn't normal, you know, as well as Wally, the two of them have some big links. So now that happened to him, and I saw that youth here end up losing life. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, check out the WhatsApp group, Country Squad, aka Country Goons, and the membership section. And there is a lot more stories coming out about cockburn pen, because I am finally getting to the bottom of certain things. So yeah, him lose him life over a machine when him go buy a Maxfield, and that's the bottom line. The man them tricky man 2 times him. Countryman, I'm out.